you're working on your mounts to get into a Lyra, I have some fun conditioning things that you can try that will help you build up that strength to be able to make your mounts more smooth and beautiful, or maybe even just help you get in there at all. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to reach up nice and high. We're going to practice just engaging our shoulders. We want to drop our ears into our shoulders and feel what it feels like to not be engaged, and then re-engage by just doing a little tiny pull-up movement. You can see that my arms stay straight the entire time. I'm not doing a pull-up, I'm just practicing engaging those shoulders. You can also do one shoulder at a time to really get comfortable. You can also do this underneath the hoop. Whenever we're hanging, we really want to stay engaged and keep those shoulders safe. If you've tried mounting before, then you know that you really want to engage those lower abs. You can start just one leg at a time and try and pull them in. As you get stronger and more comfortable, try both legs at the same time. And really think about lifting those knees up towards your face. Try a couple in a row without putting your toes down onto the ground. And I want you to really think about engaging your abs and pulling your knees up. This is not a swinging move. It's nice and controlled. Now let's try it with straight legs. Again, you might start with just one foot at a time, and when you're ready, you can bring both legs up. A good way to work up to straight legs is to start with bent and then let them straighten as you come back down and build that resistance. Another good way to strengthen, to get your mounts, we're gonna get into it however we need to, and then we're gonna take our time and come down slow, 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 slow to build up that strength in reverse. This is a great one to do with up and overs as well. If you need to use your feet to get up and over into the hoop, that's okay. Then we're gonna practice coming out of it as slow as we possibly can. If you're struggling to mount, don't get discouraged. Practice these conditioning moves and you'll have it before you know it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.